If you lost your 9 to 5 job today, which of the skills you have can you charge 50 to 100K for tomorrow? You see, a lot of you are literally living on vibes and inshallah. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing 3 high income skills you can learn and also learn for free. You can also decide to get paid courses if you want. And I will give you resources on how to get the free courses. Before I continue, I think I need to say this. You need to practice delayed gratification. Do not learn a skill because you want to start earning money from it tomorrow. These things take consistency, time, and patience. Yes, it is very, very possible to start earning even within a month a month of learning a skill. It's also possible that you can also start earning in the process of learning the skill. That is why it is important to document your process, build a personal brand online, build perception management. Social media is very powerful. One of these videos might just go viral and then somebody might just decide that they want to work with you. So I thought I should just put this out there before we continue. So let's go. Number one on my list is video content creation and editing. Of course, this is going to be the first on my list. I started content creation way back in 2020. Then there were not a lot of resources. In fact, I was just doing anything. I didn't really know much about it. Then in 2022, I made my first payment from content creation class. Then there were not a lot of resources, like I said, but the people that navigated and were already blowing up and making money from it started creating courses. And that was when I made my first payment. There, I learned basic editing and transitions. I started using CapCut. Then CapCut was totally free. So we're using all the tools. Like we literally were using all the tools. So they are better now and everything is almost paid. I still use CapCut though. I grew my page to 10K followers and then I got my first influencing deal where I was paid 50,000 naira for 5 videos. I was so happy. Hey, big money. But now I charge at least 50,000 naira to 100,000 naira for one video. So you can see something that started out with literally no direction is now something that pays me passively. You can start using tools like CapCut and InShot to start learning video editing. And you can learn them from YouTube. All you need to do is go to YouTube and search video editing. There are a lot of videos, a lot of creators that have put together video editing and simplified it for you. CapCut and InShot also have YouTube channels. You can also search their YouTube channel. I think that's the best place to learn video editing from CapCut or InShot because they explain to you these features and how to use them for your video editing. The second one on my list is AI. Yes. A lot of you are sleeping on AI. AI can help you achieve a lot in your business, in your career, and also as a source of building passive income. AI helps you work faster, smarter, and helps you to achieve more, even without having a tech background. You don't need to build AI. All you need to do is learn how to use it to build your business, your career, or to offer services to your clients. I'm just going to list a few things you can do using an AI skill. You can use it to write emails, create scripts and captions that can help you for your content. Number two, this one is very, very underrated. You can use AI to generate digital products like ebooks, courses, planners, etc. And when you generate these digital courses, you can just put them online on platforms like Seller, run ads and sell them for cheap, around 3,000 to 5,000. Just imagine selling courses around 3,000 to 5,000 to 100 people. You already started making passive income. All you need to do is put the prompt on tools like ChatGPT and it will help you generate these products. You edit them on Canva, make them better, and then start selling. Chicken, you start making your passive income. This one is one of the quickest way to start making money. All you need to do is learn how to use these tools and start creating your digital product. Number three, this is the second most underrated one. We have a lot of AI videos trending everywhere. You can start a faceless YouTube channel by using AI to create long form videos that you can post. You do not need to show your face. All you need to do is create a prompt and these tools will generate videos for you in 5 minutes. there are a lot of ways to make money. You can use tools like CapCut. CapCut's web version helps you to create AI videos that you can start posting on your YouTube channel. Just imagine that this video blows up on YouTube and you get monetized. You can start earning passive income from there. You can also use AI videos to run adverts for your business or create these videos for businesses that don't know how to use this tool. You can use that as a way to also make money. Number 4, you can use AI to automate your processes. You can use to schedule your meetings, also to optimize your business operations. Number 3 is influencing and UGC. UGC is user generated content. Now, all you need to do is pick a niche, start creating content around this niche, something you're probably interested in. Let's say skincare. All you need to do is start creating content around it. You can buy skincare that you normally use and start giving reviews about this skincare. You can then build your portfolio. You can use AI to help you build your portfolio. AI can also help you draft pitches that you can send to this brand for you to start working with them. Before you know, one or two of them will respond to you. They will send you their products. You can start for free. Just review their products, put them online, and before you know, brands will start reaching out to you for you to review their product. They will send you the products and also pay you for making that review. This one requires you to build community and have a niche, build a personal brand online. So you see, these are the 3 skills that you can start learning. I could make a video for more of these skills, but these ones are my top for now because they are very easy to start. So my babe, pick one of these skills that I've listed or maybe any other skill that I have not listed here. Give yourself 30 days, learn this skill, build your personal brand, build online, ask for feedbacks when necessary. And before you know, you can start making money from it. Share this video to somebody you think would benefit from it. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video.